Ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs awadlali njenge-team bafowethu, ngishilo ukuthi badlala as ama-individuals. I hope abantu bayibonile le nto le engiyibonile. Bonke bachithelana izandla, bonke bayathethisana. USolomons uma engena uyathetha naye. UVilakazi naye ebethethisa uSolomons ukuthi amnike i-option. uThabo Mlwisane naye bekatshela uModu ukuthi nginike i-option. Bayazama ukuphushana but something is off. uNdlovu uphasa wrong, sewublame amanye ama-play ukuthi aye phambili but it was just a poor pass. Senginokumbona kwamanye amagemu even noThabiso Munyani naye athethisa amanye ama-player, bonke bayazama ukuphushana as ama-player ukuthi ba-perform. So if kuzodlalwa ngokuthethiswana or ama-player aya-coach-ana laphana egrawundini, ngiyabona ukuthi kunenkinga-ke lapho, kunenkinga e-serious. I can't be coach I can't be coached by ucoach ne-technical team yonke laphana and then be coached by wena as a player nawe udlalela udoti wakho. Ndlovu, like misplaced pass from uNdlovu, uthethisa umuntu uthi abantu abavuli but i-poor pass. Asingeneni kuVilakazi. UVilakazi akusile nto le sicabanga ukuthi iyo. I think le hype yakhe uthola i-hype angayi-deserve-i, uthola i-hype ngokugibela ibhola. Yeah, there's something but he's not like at the level le abantu abaningi abafuna ukuthi abe kuyo. Uyathandeka uMfundo and waduma fast, like waduma ey'ntwana adlalela le team le yama-students wakhe. Already then abantu bebamthanda bam-favour cause intwana with a big heart. But in terms of like but I think uyadlala ngoba i-standard sethu si-poor. But uma umbheka yena as a player, nah, like he's not brave that much. Like how many times do you see uMfundo athatha ama-players on, like taking players on abalande straight bafethu a-create ama-opportunities na ubone ukuthi ya yilapho nalapho uzothiwa umbonile bafethu uMfundo. So ziningi izinto naye as a player kumele azi-improve but kuthatha umuntu iplayer liphikha nini kanti bafethu cause you look at iplayer elifana asithi o-Rashford, banamaphutha wabo but-ke maningi ama-moments esiwakhumbulayo for yena u-Rashford ediliva noma izinto ake azenza. You look at ubani Foden Manchester City, kunesikhathi la dry e-flat but i-introduction yakhe nama-moments wakhe la wina khona ama-awards, compete for ama-young player of the season, players player of the season. La e-South Africa uMfundo akaze aba kuleyo competition leyo ukuthi is one of the best players eligini. Same thing uMdu naye. So maningi ama-players athola i-hype abangayi-deserve. Yabona uRelem Mofokeng wathola i-hype because of well, khona amanye amagemu fana nala season bengiwa-question ukuthi okay why athola i-hype kakhulu but-ke u-Real uyakwazi ukumdifenda ukuthi mfethu khona amagemu la esimbone khona umjida ukuthi hhayi ushisile yabo. But-ke uma ku-Kaizer Chiefs uthola i-hype ungakadlali nokudlala. I mean I think it's the same thing le nto le yenziwa ama-fans e-Orlando Pirates, ba-hype-a uPederson angakadlali nokudlala. Well, I think namanje abamfuni ukumphasa noma abamphasi, kubonakala ngathi abamphasi laphana umlungu wenkosi but asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani or abafuni ukuthi a-perform-e kahle or kwenzakalani. But ama-fans ayinkinga, abantu abayinkinga kakhulu ama-fans uku-hype-a abantu just nje ukuthi usayinwe i-team oyithandayo. Kuzokhulunywa ngaye-ke manje kahle umuntu kuthiwa hhayi nizombona ufikile usibani bani. Siyinkinga as ama-fans but as for Obrigado uyathandeka umfana, I can't lie. Abantu bazothi udlalisa i-position e-wrong, ubheka ku-under 20. I-under 20 udlala nama-players amaningi like or udlala nama-teams angajwayele ukudlala nawe, ne? Angakwazi kahle that much. Manje uma ubheka ku-Betway Premiership o-Relem Mofokeng like ukhule nabo abanye abafana laphana ku-School of Excellence and bebadlala same competitions, same league, so bayazana ukuthi usibani bani udlala kanjani. If wena you can't surprise abantu kuma-games, uzo-improve-a kanjani as a player? Okay, ngingasho ukuthi maningi ama-player but baningi abafana abangeke babuye kwamanye ama-country bafowethu ngoba la already they've hit i-ceiling, kubonakala ngathi ama-established stars. But uma yifakela iy'buko indaba kaMfundo Vilakazi uyabona ukuthi ayikho into asayenzile since afikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho. Ayikho bafowethu, aselikhulumeni iqiniso. Ngoba if sothi uMfundo khona into ayenzile ku-Chiefs, kusho ukuthi uLilepo-ke i-icon la ku-Chiefs. Cause umuntu esingasho ukuthi hhayi beka-greedy yashaya noma isinoma kanjani, but-ke ziningi izinto esiy'khumbulayo ngoLilepo, angithi ama-contributions wakhe, but ama-players amaningi hhayi abakenzi lutho. I remember i-Kaizer Chiefs uma-introduce abafethu ama-youngsters, bawubona nawe ukuthi ya lo mjida u-young and u-hungry, u-ready, uya-deserve ukuba kule situation le akuyo. Mayesesivele si-hype abafana ngoba siyabathanda, inkinga leyo bafowethu, inkinga e-serious. But-ke abaningi abantu abasapota ngokuthanda, abasapoti ngokuthi usibanibani udlala kanjani. That is why even to this day if ungena online ubona abantu badifenda i-Manchester United, but uyabona ukuthi i-Manchester United yenkosi iy'fele. I-Manchester United yafaka kwahamba ubani use-Alex Ferguson, but khona abantu be-Manchester United abathi hhayi, this is the best team in the world. Abasho ukuthi maybe it's the best marketed team or one of the most followed teams in the world football, but-ke they are down and out manje if aba-compete even naku-Champions League. They might be bigger than Manchester City or abo-PSG in terms of i-value or i-fan base, because vele i-team yayidominate kudala. But sokujaja ngama-performances wakho manje, hhayi wango-1940 or ukuthi uyakhumbula 2009. Yeah, i-history yakhe important, but what are you doing now? Fundo aba-improve bafowethu abafana, aba-improve. Thina we wanna see amajita edlala serious, but ngisase kuMfundo Vilakazi, i-timing mfethu ayikho. 6 minutes 28 seconds uMfundo Vilakazi uyahluleka ukuthola iphasi eli-right, uya-delay. I-player I think uBatman or ubani, I can't remember, umnika i-option yokuthi ngishaye nge-through pass, like ungalitraphi nokulitrapha ibhola, vele uphase laphana espacini uyahamba, hhayi ufuna ukulitrapha yena. And guess what, ukulitrapha kwakhe leli bhola leli ama-defenders sewamlandela ayi-2, aze aya kuye-straight ayi-2 afika ayablokha. Sekayabona ukuthi uKonate manje ngeke akwazi seyenza ngathi uyali-release ibhola kanti ulitrapha ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Uthi uyambekezelela 9 minutes 50 something seconds, udileya still i-play. Kumele uyakhatha phasa fast, kune-option bamvulele. Mfethu ama-opportunities amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, siyabona ukuthi nayi i-opportunity but bona bayahluleka ukuwasebenzisa. Akaphasi uyadileya baze bayamfawula laphana kuba i-free kick. Uyayithatha i-free kick ushaye i-target, but power, but alikho powerful i-goalkeeper uyakwazi ukuliseva. Khona la ashaye khona i-shot eli-right elingi-impress-ile ukuthi okay, but khona la uyakhatha uvele esayidini. I mean kunama-players angathi ayi-7 we-Richards Bay or ayingaki, but u-forced ukushutha kuleso space leso, abona kahle ukuthi it's nearly impossible for yena to get to the goalkeeper. Uyahluleka, uyashaya umfana. Dlalani as i-team. Mfundo Vilakazi, still a long way to go, because manje this season kuzofika umfana esingakaze simbona vele ashisa abe i-star more than nina. Imagine lento le abantu mabeqhathanisa maybe ulo, well I always compare, like khona la manje ngibukela kwamanye ama-shows wami or kwamanye ama-platforms engingiwasho la engizodifenda khona ama-player. Well, I'm getting paid ukuthi ngikhulume into e-protect ama-team, but lana mengikhuluma ngebhola hhayi.